I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 50 of grade 2 mathematics. Yesterday we learnt about division with the help of number line, right? So we learn how to divide a number by using a number line, and we also practiced one of the question of that. I revised how can we divide with the help of number line. The question was there in the practice zone. Write the division facts for each number line. So you are given here a number line and you have to write the division sentence. What is the dividend here? What is the divisor here? And what is the quotient here? This means what number is divided and what number is divided by what number and what will be the answer of that number. So if you look this number line, so you can easily check what is the dividend here, because from 18 it is going back. It is started going back, right? So 18 is actually divided because you're moving from 18 to 0, and it is divided by what number? So check the first step. It is started from 18 and 17, 16 and 15, and first step is from 18 to 15. So you just count the numbers. How many numbers are there in first one step? 1, 2, 3. So there are only three numbers. That means you are counting in threes. In one step, you are counting in threes. So you are actually dividing 18 by 3. And for quotient, you have to check that how many number of steps you go back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you go 6 steps back. That's why the answer is here 6. I repeat how you can divide with the help of number line. With the help of number line, if you have a number line and you have to divide 14 by 2, so check in the number line where is 14, go there, and because you have to divide by 2, so start counting back in twos. This is 14, count back in twos. 1, 2, one time, then again move one time, 1, 2, move or count on in twos, count back in twos until you reach 0, okay? And check how many number of steps you count back in twos in order to reach 0. So from 14, you started counting back, you move one step back, 12, two step back, 10, three step back, 8. And the same way, where you reach on the 7th step at 0. So 14 by 2 equals to 7. So this was the revision of division using by number line. Now we have to divide. We have to write the division sentence here. So guys, you will help me. What is the dividend here? Okay. In B, what is the dividend? Can you tell me, guys, what is the dividend here?
18,
18,
18.
18.
Yes.
Assalamualaikum saya.
Walaikum salam.
to write the answer.
Yeah, Shami.
Sir,
Raise it.
chat box.
Okay.
On the chat box.
So guys, you are saying the answer is here 18. Okay, you are right. 18 is the dividend here. Why? Because you are counting, you started counting back from which number? 18. That's mean we're dividing 18. So I am going to write here 18. This is 18. This is 18 because you started counting back from which number? 18. Can you tell me the divisor now, guys? And for divisor, I'm going to open the chat, right? Please tell me the divisor. 18 divided by what number here? Check in the number line. 18 divided by what number? Tell me the divisor. Adam, 8, 8, 8, 8. Very good. Abdul Rahim Fadi Umar. Why you are saying, guys, 8, 8? Most of the students are saying 8. Some of the students are saying 9. Abdulaziz, like Suleiman, Subhani. Okay. Let's check, guys. Let's check. Very good, very good. Most of the students are saying now 9. Okay, okay. Yusuf Ali. Abdulaziz. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to close it for a while. So, guys, for the divisor, you need to check in one step, you count how many numbers. Like, are you counting back in twos, in threes, in fours, in fives, in sevens, in tens? What number? So, this is 18. This is 18. For your help, I am drawing a line and I count back 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I count 9 number. That's mean I am counting in nines in one step. This is the first step. In first step, I count in nines. So 18 divided by 9 because I am counting back in nines. So those students who were saying 9, they were actually right. The answer is 9. 18 divided by 9. So I will write here 9. Yes, guys, do you understand why we write 9 here?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay.
The answer is two. The answer is
No.
two.
No.
The
Okay.
answer
No.
is two.
18 divide 9 2.
Okay. Now, can you tell me the quotient here? What is the answer here? I'm going to open the chat. Yes, guys, please tell me the answer. How you will check it? 18 divided by 9 equals to what? Adam, Muhammad, Abdul Ibrahim, Muhammad Ashraf, Sharif, Muhammad Farooq, Omar. Omar, write it only one time. Ayan, good. Amjad Muhammad, Abdul Rahim, no. Asar, Abdul Aziz Muhammad, Yusuf Ali. Abdul Aziz Muhammad, write only one time. Abdul Aziz Muhammad, write only one time. Good Amal, Asar Riyad, Yas Shami, Muhammad Etam, very good. Okay, good, good. Muhammad Etam, all you guys write only one time. Good. All right, guys. So the answer you are saying that is 2. So that's actually right. Why 2? Because you check how many number of steps you take in order to reach 0. So this is 1 and this is 2. And in every step you count back in nines. This is 1 and this is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in one step. Again, I will count back in 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I reach up to 0. So 18 divided by 9 equals to actually 2 because we have taken 2 steps from 18 when we are counting back in 9s to reach 0. So 18 divided by 9 equals to 2. Any problem, guys? Any issue? Any question?
No, 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 no,
Okay,
no,
okay,
No.
no.
okay. Coming to the part C, guys, now. On part C, uh, this is again a number line from 0 to 20, and you have to tell me the dividend. So, which number is divided? You have to write the division sentence. So, please tell me the dividend, guys. And I am going to say, guys, you have to write answer only one time. Especially some students, they are repeating again and again, again and again. Don't type it again and again. Okay? So, answer me. See in question number 1, see what is the dividend here. Which number has to be divided? Yes, 20. 20. Muhammad Farooq, Abdul Aziz, okay. Tell me the dividend here in C. Iham, Adam, Suleiman, Yusuf Ali, good. Rafiq Samir, Amjad Muhammad, Iyad Ilyas, Iyad not two, Iyad not two. Muhammad Haitham, good. Ilyas, not one even. Muhammad Haitham and Amjad Muhammad. I have already read your answers. Don't write it again and again. Oh, good. Muhammad Abdurrahim, good. Muhammad Haitham again. Good. Amal, good.
طيب فلما نيجي هنا نتكلم عن اللي هو فصائل الدم. مثلا عندك
So guys,
هنا
you are
لما أقول
saying
هذا فصيلة
20.
دم
Whose mic
A.
is open?
فصيلة دم A معناته
So here you can see that because we are dividing by 20, that's why we are dividing 20, that's why the dividend is 20. How do you know that we are dividing 20? Because from 20 we are counting back. Okay, from 20 we are counting back. From which number we started counting back? 20. So that's mean 20 is being divided. Now 20 is divided by what number? You have to tell me. You have to check here and tell me. Check the numbers. Are you counting back in twos, threes, fours, fives, or six, or sevens? Check how many numbers you count back in one step. This is one. How many number of steps you count back in one step? That's mean you are dividing by that number. So I'm going to open your mics and you have to tell me the divisor. Tell me the divisor, guys. 20 divided by what? 20 divided by what number? Check here, guys. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at this step. It starts from here and reach there. So From 20 you started 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you are counting back in fives. You are counting back in fives. So 20, first you will write here 20. You will write 20 here in this division sentence because you are dividing 20 by which number? You are counting back in fives. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In one step, you go back, you count five numbers. So 20 divided by 5. Now, what is the answer? How many number of steps you took back in order to reach 0? How many number of steps you took to reach 0? 20 divided by 5 equals to what? For that, I'm going to open the chat. 20 divided by 5 equals to? Yes, guys. Only one time you have to answer. Muhammad Abdul Rahim 4, Saud 4, Adam Khalid 4, Sharif 4, Umar Amar Yusuf Ali 4, Ayan 4, Abdul Rahim Fadi, Abdul Aziz 4, Riyad Shami 4. Very good. Amjad Muhammad 4, Was 4. Very good, guys. Very good. The answer is 4. Correct. Good. So 20 divided by 5 equals to 4 because you take 4 steps. I show you how. I show you how. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're counting back in fives. That's why you divide by 5. 1. This is the first step. Again, count back in fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2. Again, count back in fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 3 now. 3 steps. Again, count back in fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you took 4 steps from 20 to reach 0 when you count back in fives. So 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. So you are going to write here 4. Write it in your book. Solve it in your book, guys. First one is 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. Second one is 18 divided by 9 equals to 2. And the last one is 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. I repeat again how you have to solve it. You have to check the number line first. From which number you are going back, that number is dividend, that number is being divided. So you have to write that number first. So from here, you are going back from 20. So you write 20 here. The next number is you have to write the divisor. You are dividing by what number? So check the first step. How many numbers you count? You're counting back in one step. So you check 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In one step, you are counting back in 5. That's mean you are dividing 20 by 5. So you write here 5. Now, for writing answer, for writing quotient, you have to check how many number of steps you have taken from 20 to reach 0. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have taken 4 steps from 20 to reach 0. So 4 is the answer. That's mean if you divide 20 by 5, the answer will be 4. The quotient will be 4. I hope you understand. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to the next topic. Please open page number 69 of your book. Open page number 69 of your book. On page number 69, guys, we are going to start the topic dividing by a single digit number without regrouping. Okay. Here we are going to learn method for division, or we are actually going to learn the a long division here. There is example, put 28 buttons into two groups of 2. So we have to divide 28 buttons into two groups, okay? So there is one method, what we can do here, you can look here, this is 28, right? So as you know, you can expand it. In 28, there are two tens and 8 ones. So you can write what is the value of 2 here. The value of 2 here is 20 and the value of 8 is 8. Because 2 is in the tens place, its value is 20. So if you break this number into 20 and 8 and you divide 20 by 2 and 8 by 2, so you can also get the answer. How? I show you here. Look here. This was the question. 28 divided by 2. This is 28 divided by 2, guys. Okay. I ask you, can you write 28 like 20 plus 8? You will say yes. Why you can write 28 into 20 plus 8? Because the value of 2 here is 20, because it is in the tens place. So in the previous exercises, we know how to write expanded form to us from a standard form and how to write a standard form from expanded form. So I want you to expand this number, expand this 28. So in 20, 2 is having the value of 20 and 8 is having the value of 8. So I write 20 plus 8. So I can say 28 is equals to 20 plus 8. Okay. Now I expand it. Okay. If I expand it, why I need to expand? Because 28, to divide 28 by 2 is difficult for me. So if it is having 20, so it is very easy for me. If I divide 20 by 2, let's suppose, divide 20 by 2, right? Can you divide 20 by 2? Yes. Check the table of 2. How many times you need to multiply, how many times you read the table of 2 in order to get 20? 2 multiply, or you can say 2 multiply by what number will give you 20? You can also say this. 2 multiply by what number will give you 20? Yes, guys, can you tell me the answer? 2 multiply by what number will give you 20?
10.
10.
10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. Sir, can you open my Sir, can you open my
Good, 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 good,
Sir,
good,
can you
guys.
open my chat? Sir, can
Let me finish first.
is closed.
Let me finish first. Okay, guys. So 2 multiplied by 10, that's why, that's mean 20 divided by 10, 2 equals to 10, right? Okay. And this 20 plus what number equals to 28? 28, 8, sorry. So I divided 20 also by 2 and now I'm going to divide 20 also by 2. So 2 multiplied by what number will give you 8? Yes, guys. 2 multiplied by what number will give you 8? Yes, guys.
4. 4.
Can you open my chat?
Very good, very good, very good.
Sir, can you open my chat?
I said wait for a while, please. So 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. Now, because 20 plus 8 equals to 28, now you can add the answers. 10 plus 4. So you will get the answer 14. That's mean 28 divided by 2 equals to 14. Okay. How you have to divide? This is the one method. If you have any number you are dividing by 2 or 3 or any number, like this is 28 divided by 2. So first expand this number into the into their values. 28 is having uh, 22 is having value the value of 20, and 8 is having the value of 8. Divide this 20 by 2 first, and then divide this 8 by 2. When you divide this 20 by 2 you get 10, and when you divide this 8 by 2 you get 4. Then add these answers, add 10 plus 4, and in this way you can write the answer. For one more example, let's suppose I write here 36, or let's suppose I write here 16. 16 is easy, right? 24. Okay, 24 divided by 2. Okay, so it is difficult for you to divide 24 directly by 2. Okay, so what you can do, you can break 24 into 20 plus 4. Why? Because this 2 is on the tens place, it has a value of 20, and it is on the ones place, it has a value of 4. Okay, now divide 20 by 2 also, and 20 by 4 also. Okay, when you divide 20 by 2, so 2 multiplied by what number will give you 20? So that will be 10. And when you divide, sorry, it will not be 20, it will be only 4. It will be 4 divided by 2. Why? Because 2 is having the value of 20, and this 4 is having the value of 4. So 4 divided by 2. Now 4 divided by 2, 2 multiplied by what number will give you 4? That will be 2, right? And then add these two numbers, 10 and 2. 10 plus 2 equals to 12. So 12 will be your answer. 24 divided by 2 equals to. In that way, we can also solve. This is also one of the method. If you have a big number and you want to divide, like if you have 38 and you want to divide it by 2, so you can break into 30 plus 8. Divide 30 also by 2 and 8 by 2 and then add their answer. I hope you understand this, guys. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, 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 yes,
Okay, okay.
yes, yes,
All
yes,
right.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
That's it.
Someone was saying, open my mic, open my mic. I'm opening the chat. Please tell me who was saying that open my mic so that I can open his mic if he has any questions so I can answer him. Yes, if anyone is having question, so they can send me message here on the chat box, okay, so that I can open their mic and they can ask me question. No one who is having question. Umar. Okay. Yes, Umar.
Sir,
Yes.
um, what
Yes.
means what means remainder or, or remainder?
What means remainder? Okay. Reminders, I'll tell you what is remainder when we started long division. Okay, when we will start long division, I'll tell you what is remainder. Remainder is the number when you divide the dividend by a divisor. If anything, if you have any number which is not which is undivisible, which you cannot divide, so that is called as remainder. But I'll tell you with the help of examples. in the coming classes. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. All right, guys. I hope you don't have any questions. But there was one student who is saying, "Open my mic, open my mic." So, do you understand, guys?
Yes,
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 sir.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Okay, guys. Inshallah, in the next class, we are going to learn this long division, and we are going to practice this long division also. This is just to make you understand, but this is our main topic, the long division. We have only 3 minutes left, but I tell you how we have to write the in the long division. In the long division, first you should know the symbol of the division. This is actually the symbol of division, like this. You can see this. This is known as symbol of division, and you always have to write the dividend inside. Like you are dividing 28 by 2 here, so you have to write the dividend inside here. And you always have to write the divisor outside, like this. You are dividing 28 by 2, so you write 2 outside, like there. Two things only you need to remember right now. This is the sign of division. Okay, I can write from here also. This is the sign of division. Okay, and you have to write the dividend inside and the divisor outside. We will learn about this division inshallah in the next classes. I hope it is very clear to you, and keep practicing the tables also, because tables will help you too much, guys. Division also, you can say a repeated subtraction. Okay, so in this long division we will do division, we will check the tables, we will multiply, we will subtract. So inshallah, I'll meet you in the next class. Whatever we have learned, keep practicing for that. Take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next class.
bye, sir.
Bye, bye,
Bye,
bye.
bye. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
bye, bye,
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
bye, bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.